Happy anniversary, I'm making turtle soup just for you. So we started with some turtle meat, which I sauteed in this pan. And I added some aromatics, onions, celery, bay leaves, little shallots, thyme, and put some water and white wine. So we're having a stock here, which is slowly cooking and that I'm skimming, removing the little protein that accumulates at the top. While this is happening, I'm doing the Cajun trinity of celery, onions, and bell peppers. Of course, we started with the roux right here. So I made the dark roux, and then I added the chopped onions, celery, and bell pepper with a little bit of red pepper for color. Then I'm going to add some shallots, garlic, a little thyme, and some bay leaves to this. And we'll have it ready to add the stock when the stock is a little more flavorful. So that's it for now. We'll finish in a few minutes the soup and let it simmer so it gets a good flavor. Alright, now we are finishing the soup. So I've made the stock, skimmed it really well, so it's a clear stock. I've removed the meat of the turtle from it. I'm going to chop it up, and then we'll strain the stock and finish the soup with the roux and the vegetables. Alright, so I'm chopping the turtle meat to put in the soup in little pieces. Quite a lot of meat. Next time I'm straining the stock, and then we will add it to finish the soup. Okay, adding the stock to the soup. Makes me about 8 cups of stock. So I'm gonna start with this. See how thick it is, and we can always add stock if we feel like the soup needs some more thinness, but it's looking good right now. We're going to add the turtle meat to this and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. So I'm adding the meat to the soup. Quite a lot of meat. Probably we'll add a little more stock to make it a little more soupy. Alright, now we have finishing touch to the soup, which brings a little of brightness and a good flavor. About 2-3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1, 2, and 3. And it calls for half a cup of Worcestershire. Seems like a lot to me, so I'm going to add maybe 3 tablespoons and see how it looks like. Maybe 4. That should be about half a cup anyway. A touch of cayenne. And a little salt, and I'll check the seasoning again when the soup has simmered for about 45 minutes. Make sure everything tastes good and is seasoned. Then by then, I will add some chopped green onions at the last minute, and the soup will be pretty much finished and ready to serve tonight. Bon appétit!